Let's create the Liquify effect in Photoshop. But it's not the simple one, which you normally seen in tutorials. It's a 3 different variations. Also, in this video, I will be pointing out a common mistake which beginners do at the start. I did it too, and a small tip to enhance this effect. With all required images already imported in Photoshop, let's do the first variation. For this, let's duplicate the image. But if it's a smart object, make sure to rasterize it and then desaturate it. Go to the image, adjustment, desaturate, or use the shortcut Shift plus Control or Command plus U. Now, with the desaturated image layer selected, go to Filter, Liquify, or use shortcut Shift plus Control or Command plus X. In the Liquify window, select the forward wrap tool at the top left side. Now, stroke it on the area which you want to liquify until you see the checkboxes behind it. But here is the mistake which the beginners do. They stroke it in the middle of the image or border of the subject, but the correct way is to stroke it from the border of the image. Then we can drag as much as we want. Press OK to apply. Now in the second variation, we will reverse this by putting the desaturated layer below and applying the Liquify effect on the normal or colored layer. Let me fast forward this. And this is how the final result looks. But in the third variation, there is an extra step, and that is selecting the subject. So let's select the subject. Then press Ctrl or Command plus J to create a new layer from it and desaturate it. But in this, when we apply the Liquify effect, we can drag it from the border of the subject as we don't have the image border. Then press OK when done. Here is a tip to enhance this effect. Add a new layer between the image layers and with soft round brush, foreground color selected as black and flow around 15%. Paint near the edges to create shadow, which adds more depth to this effect. I have added some text here to give it a poster look. And that's all 3 variations for the Liquify effect. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which effect should we create next. Also follow me on my socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.